Wrapping it up with part 6, we were talking about belief as uniquely Christian or Abrahamic concern. Unbelief is a marker of being outside, attests to continued power of belief. So, if you truly believe that you're no longer a Christian, why are you still ruled by this belief that unbelievers are no longer Christians? That's a Christian doctrine right there. In any case, most religions aren't so concerned about belief. Most religions have other important parts beyond belief, practices and identities and um, all that kind of stuff. Atheistic religions do not regard belief in any deity to be necessary or desirable. So there are atheistic religions, such as some forms of Buddhism are atheistic. Um, the cosmological function of religion. So we have these four functions again. The cosmological one, remember, that has to do with meaning in a larger system. Religion can reflect radically different views of the world. For example, we had Balinese Hinduism and the irrigation system for rice farms. Then we have the sociological function of religion. Remember, that's justifying rules for society. Religions reflect the values of society where it's practiced. For example, Protestant Christianity emphasizes individualism and unique experience and choice and decision making and all that, which were all capitalist values. The Australian Aboriginal Dreamtime and the collective effervescence of going to the big dance and joining a blessed union of souls, for example. The pedagogical function of religion, that has to do with teaching younger generations the wisdom of prior generations, rites of passage from children to adult. This is important. Rites of passage is important, especially separation, liminality, and incorporation. So the separation, removal from prior status. For example, at the boot camp, when you're doing basic training and going into the army, you get your hair cut very, very short, and and you get issued a uniform or some workout clothes or whatever that separates you out from your prior status as a civilian and has this new status, this liminal status that is betwixt and between. So liminality is existence in between. During the initiation time, you've been removed from regular civilian society, but you're not yet an army member, right? You're just in boot camp. So you don't have the membership in the community of either one. You're separated out. The only membership that matters is the one with your fellow boot camp inductees. And then finally, you get incorporated. You return to ordinary society with a new status as soldier, or you quit during boot camp, then you return to your ordinary civilian status as someone who never became a soldier, didn't have that change in status. Um, you're incorporated. You're reincorporated as a member of society as a result of passing through that initiation. Four functions of the rites of passage, again, sociological, pedagogical, cosmological, and mystical. The mystical function of religion, then, we don't have to, yeah, get rid of this. We're not going to worry about it. The four functions of the rites of passage. He's getting a little bit too much there. The mystical function of religion, five elements: transcendence, separation, reunification, purpose, and law. So religion tends to give us these five things: transcending the ordinary everyday life. This idea that we've been separated from this transcendence. That there's something out there bigger than ordinary life, and that ordinary life is separated from that bigger thing. And then the goal of the religion is to reunify us to that other transcendent other. This gives us a purpose in life, tells us, what we're here for, and the rules to follow to get there, the law we have to follow. So finally, wrapping up with nature's default setting, these three ideas that I am always right, I am the center of the universe, I don't need to think about how to think, and the idea is that where religion works best is where religion works to counteract such selfishness that is nature's default setting. Okay, so the test will be opening on Monday morning. I got to get it done. Got to get it up there. I've been working on it, but I need to get it loaded onto Canvas by Monday morning at 8 a.m. It's going to open, and then it will close Thursday by midnight. So you got 4 days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, to take that exam, and hopefully we'll all get through this. And what a year, right? What a semester. In any case, I hope you guys have a great summer, and we'll see you in the fall, hopefully, back at Miami. Bye bye.